insertions from members of the House?
Insertions defined by what? Because amendments, if they are institutional, are part and parcel of the jurisdiction of Congress. In other words, kung meron departamento na binigay ng budget 100 pesos, pero 50 pesos ang ginastos nila, ibig sabihin, in line with the zero-sum policy of the DBM, ibig sabihin sinayang nila yung 50 pesos. So sayang lang yung pondo kung hindi ginastos. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ilipat sa ibang departamento na kung saan mas magaling sila gumastos.
Kunyari sir, may mga flood-prone areas na hindi nasama ng DBM dun sa proposed 2020.
It would depend on Project NOAA. I think that is the best indicator and the best study as to... I'm so sorry I'm delaying your press con. Give me like 2 minutes. As to the best guide that we should follow, in my opinion, with regards to the flood control.